guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to get on here and do a regular old makeup tutorial. I saw Kristen Dominique use this lip shade right here. It is the Maybelline SuperStay Matte Ink in the shade Fighter. I think it is a gorgeous shade. I saw it on her, and even though we're different skin tones, I was like, girl, I need that lip shade like now. So I got it, and I wanted to create some kind of look around it. So this is what we came up with today. I'm not going to keep this intro too entirely long. If you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Starting out, I already have on my eyebrows and my eyelids are primed and ready to go. So I'm actually going to be starting out with this Maybelline SuperStay Matte Ink Lipstick, and I'm just going to dab a little bit of it on the back of my hand. I'm just going to start working that into my crease. This is actually a technique that I have done before. A lot of people might be shocked, but yes, as long as the lip color and the brand that you're using is eye safe, then you can definitely use it on your eyes as eyeshadow as well. You just got to make sure you blend out pretty quick because it's a lipstick, so it will dry down pretty fast. Next, I'm just going to go in with my ABH Prism palette. I'm going to be grabbing this shade right here called Saturn, and I'm just going to kind of layer that right on top of what I just did, just to kind of set the lipstick a little bit and also kind of brighten it up just a tad. Alright, next I'm just going to go in and grab this brown shade right here called Parallel. I'm just going to start working that a little bit below what I just did and also into my outer V. Alright, next I'm going to be grabbing my JCat Beauty Beverly Hills 90210 palette. I'm going to be grabbing this gorgeous duochrome shade right here. It's kind of like a maroonish brown, but then it has like these teal reflex in it. It is gorgeous. I'm just going to do a little swatch for you. Do you see that? And I'm just going to be working that shade all over the lid. And then just really quickly, I'm going to grab my Jaclyn Hill palette and dip right in here into the shade Diva. I'm just going to dab that in the center of my eye. Alright, and going back to my Prism palette, I'm going to dab into this black shade right here called Obsidian. I'm going to be taking that on a flat angled brush. I'm not going to be doing winged liner this look, so I just want to dab a little bit of that all the way across. That way when I put my lashes on, it'll help everything blend together a lot better and you won't be able to see my lash band. For my lower lash line, I'm just going to run a little bit of this brown shade called Parallel underneath. And I actually think I'm going to take a little bit of this black shade called Obsidian right here. I'm just going to work just the tiniest bit of that in my outer V just to deepen everything up just a little bit more. And I'm also going to bring that down to the corner of my lower lash line as well. Then for my inner corner, I'm just going to be grabbing this shade right here called Lucid. Just popping a little bit of that right there. Real quick, I just popped on some black eyeliner into my waterline. Now it's just time for mascara and lashes, and we're done with the eyes. Alright, for foundation today, I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Born This Way. I'll be taking that on my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge and working that all over the face. Alright, for concealer today, I'm actually not going to be using the one that I always use. Today, I have the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Tan Sand. And to set that under eye concealer, I'm going to be going in with my Makeup Revolution banana powder. I'm not going to be baking today. I'm actually just going to work that all the way into the skin instead. Alright, next I'm just going to do a little bit of contour and bronzing. So I'm going to take my black Radiance Beauty bronzer as always. And I was taking that same powder but with this Real Techniques brush here. I'm going to use that to contour my nose. For blush, I'm going to be going into my same Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice palette. I'm just going to be taking this shade right here and working that all over my cheeks. Then next for highlight, I'm taking this Wet n Wild MegaGlo highlighting powder, and this is in the shade Precious Petals. And I actually mentioned this in my 2017 favorites video. I absolutely love this highlight. Alright, and I almost forgot, I need to go in and add some mascara to my bottom lashes. I didn't do it when we were doing the eyes because I wanted to wait till I got my foundation on. So I'm just going to do that really fast. And by the way, this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. And then lastly for lips, I'll be going back in with that same lip color that I used in the transition shade for my eyes. Again, this is the Maybelline SuperStay Matte Ink lip color in the shade Fighter. And I think what I'm going to do first is I'm going to line my lips with a brown lip liner. So this is the NYX Suede lip liner in the shade Downtown Beauty. Oh, this smells so good. It smells kind of like chocolate or hot cocoa or cookies or something. It smells delicious. I want to eat it. And of course, you know we can't forget the setting spray. And obviously I'm going to be going in with my favorite one from Morphe. Guys, that is it. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial today. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at _Bria Simone_. And yeah, that's gonna wrap this one up. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.